Here again, working on a cool, cloudy day is the best type of day to do division of perennials. One technique that's very important is minimizing air exposure and sunlight exposure to your roots. Once they get exposed in this way, you do not want them to dry out in any way because they are so fine. So I usually take a nice wet burlap cloth, and while I'm getting other things prepared, I'm just going to pull them up here, leaving the top parts out, almost like wrapping a little baby, and cover these up. This will help minimize air exposure and keep them nice and safe until you're actually ready to get them into the hole where they're going to go and be planted. It's very, very important to keep your roots as moist as possible while you're doing these different phases and steps.